Children should always think in a way that they should be safe, secure, protected. Their interests should be protected, and as a family, as a teacher, as a leader of the village child committee, or as a chairperson of the commission, now I have also started thinking in a way that I should have a Goa which should be a child friendly. And to achieve this aim, I think I should be part of yours.
What are the rights, what are the avenues available, and what are the difficulties that is also faced by the teachers and head of the institutions. Friends, all of you know, the changing scenario is such, as Madam Sushma already mentioned about. Say, for anything which happens in the society, there is a cause. Without cause, there is no effect. The cause for today's, the entire scenario, what we can see, the children's misbehavior, the children, they are not behaving properly, or sometimes they are not getting their childhood at all. See, all this, the root cause is we are moving from the one set of living to another set. मोटर वेहिकल इंस्पेक्टर हांगा आयिल्ले आसा तेंचे बरोबर इतले आसा कित्याक ह्या भुरग्यांक तेजे इफेक्ट कळना जाल्यार आतां इतले चलन दिवपाक लागले सगळे कडेन सो दॅट इज हाव नाव दे हॅव बीट स्कॅर्ड म्हणजे आमकां चलन पडटलें म्हणून सो दे एक्चुअली द लास्ट रिसोर्ट फर्स्ट अवेरनेस तरी आयले जाय हेल्मेट हाती घालून वता बट तकली घालून म्हटल्यार त्यांच्या लायफाची आता कितें वालो आसता सो दॅट मीन दे आर फुल्ली अवेर दॅट इफ एनीथिंग हॅपन्स दीस बट 100% दे कन्सिडर दॅट नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हॅपन बट इट्स नॉट लायक दॅट रोड इज नॉट युअर्स ओके व्हेन वी गो इन अ स्पीड डेफिनेटली देर इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू हॅपन सो एट दॅट टाइम यू हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ युअरसेल्फ फर्स्ट प्रोटेक्ट युअरसेल्फ एंड देन गो विथ अ मिनिमम स्पीड which is under controllable and have a control on your vehicle and then there is no problem.
Go anti-clockwise and clockwise, we go. Then you should make a big edge. Okay? Anti-clockwise and clockwise. Slowly, step by step, you should reduce the distance of that edge. When distance is smaller, that means you will have a better control on the vehicle.